I am Aljon Alcentes of PSIT 2-1. I'm here to discuss something about if statement. I'll be focusing more on if-else if statement. So, if-else if statement is used in a language, particularly in some cases that there are more than two choices or conditions. Like if I go to SM Dasma, I'll save lesser money. If I go to SM Bacoor, I'll spend bigger money. If I go to MOA, I'll spend bigger money. Then I'll spend on going to SM Bacoor or SM Dasma. So in this case, this if-else if statement, there are several else clauses inside the if-else block. This cascading of structures allows us to make more complex choices or options. So this statement, the if-else if statement, has this form. You have here if the first statement and the first condition. The next line is the statement wherein you will display the message. The second else if is the second condition and also displaying it the corresponding message, and the last one is the last else. And here's the final statement. So as you can see here, there are three conditions displayed. The first one is the if plus the condition, then display the corresponding statement. For example, in these choices we have number 1, choice 1 is SM Dasma. So if I go to SM Dasma, then what will be the consequences? So I'll save money and spend this.